Yes, good afternoon, ma'am. This is Pratiksha.
Good afternoon.
Yes.
Yeah?
This is Pratiksha. Am I audible?
Yes. Hi, Pratiksha.
Hi, ma'am. So this is our Kaustubh Panse sir, our product architect of Design Your Own University and director of CAD Center.
Hello, Kaustubh sir. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. I am doing well, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good.
And sir, she is
We have heard lot about you from Aarti, ma'am. So she recommended your name. So really, really grateful, ma'am, that you could find out time for us and our students. Yeah, Pratiksha, ma'am, can we start with her introduction?
yes, just a
Yeah.
minute, ma'am. Just a minute. Yeah. So she is Mustqeema Gandhi, ma'am. She did her diploma in interior designing, and she have 1 year of experience as a designer and 2.5 years of experience as a virtual assistant.
Virtual assistant.
Yeah, and now she is the principal designer at Pinpoint Interiors. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. So till now she handled 3 to 4 projects, and now 1 project in hand, and she have 10 agencies also.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are the software she has expertise in?
AutoCAD and Sketchup.
Sketchup.
Yes.
Great. Welcome, ma'am. Really curious to know your stories. Please feel free to take your time and share your experience with our lovely students. So, with your kind permission, shall we start this lovely interview, ma'am?
Yeah. Let's start.
Yeah, great. Thank you, Pratiksha. Ma'am, first of all, we'll begin with from where all this started. How did you get intrigued and how did you have interest in this very beautiful field of interior designing? What made you choose this field and how did it all start?
Academically, I've done 4 years diploma in interior design from Rajkot, Gujarat. Then after completing my studies, I got married here at Pune. Yeah, I was working here in Pune for 1 year. And then I conceived and had a boy. So again, I took 10 years break. And then again, from last 3 years, I've started working. So that's how I started again.
So you are on mute.
So, ma'am, this is also a story of your comeback. Amazing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. You need all the guts and courage to, start again from ABC again.
So, tell me about your working experience after you have made a comeback. So this has been 3 years now. So what were you do? What all have you done in these 3-4 years?
Yes, in 2 years, it was a work from home profile. It's a virtual assistant. So basically, I was working as a back-end sales. Mostly my work was on Microsoft Excel.
Okay.
Yes. And then I decided this is not me. Academically, I've done interiors. I've learned that. 4 years I've given my. So I started working as a full-time interior designer at Fatima Nagar.
Okay. And what kind of projects did you accomplish while working as an interior designer?
There we had mostly residential projects.
Okay. So, ma'am, in these residential projects, were you using softwares as well?
Yes. AutoCAD I was using and Sketchup V-Ray.
Okay. Okay,
Yes.
that is great. So
Yes.
you are using AutoCAD and Google Sketchup,
Yes.
and you
Before
also
1 year,
use. Hmm.
yes. Before 1 year, I did the course for Sketchup.
Okay.
But in 1 year, I felt that this is not enough.
Hmm.
Sketchup is not enough, so I upgraded myself to 3D Max now.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm learning 3D Max right now with V-Day.
You're learning 3DX Max, right? So, ma'am, in this 1 year, while you were working with this Fatima Nagar interior designing firm, can you tell our dear students that what is a daily, let's say you get to office by 9 or 10 o'clock.
Yes.
So what happens in a throughout a day when you're working for such firms? आपका daily routine क्या होता है? एकदम छोटा छोटा चीज भी आप बताइए हमें.
Basically, it was like desk job, I can say. I was the principal designer there. I was supposed to make the 2D drawings and then work on the 3D.
Okay. So who would give you the client's requirements? कौन gather करता था?
My head used to do that.
Okay. And then 2D का work आपने AutoCAD में किया.
Yes.
राइट. तो उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए मैम कि वो कैसे स्पेस डिजाइनिंग कौन करता था, क्या आप खुद डिजाइन करती थी स्पेसेस, एज अ प्रिंसिपल डिजाइनर आपका प्रोफाइल में क्या क्या था?
Yes. Then I quit that job.
ओके.
I quit. Then I quit and then I started as a solo. So now I take for a project, I take the decisions myself now.
ओके. ओके. ओके.
Now I am the principal designer with my team and my clients and all.
ओ. ओ. वाओ. ग्रेट. ठीक है. तो तो जब आप ये जॉब कर रहे थे मैम, इनटू दिस जॉब, तो ऑटो इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा और डिटेल में बताइए कि दिन भर वहां पे क्या होता था, जब आप मॉर्निंग से लेके शाम तक क्या क्या काम करने पड़ते थे, क्या कोऑर्डिनेशन होता था, ऑटो कैड किस तरह से यूज करते थे, क्योंकि जो लोग आपका इंटरव्यू देखने वाले हैं, मैम, जस्ट टू लेट यू नो, वी हैव अ कम्युनिटी ऑफ 16,000 इंटीरियर डिजाइनर्स, आर्किटेक्ट्स एंड सिविल इंजीनियर्स. So
Okay,
in a couple
okay.
of days when this interview is processed, they all will be listening to you. तो इसमें से बहुत से लोग हैं जो जॉब सीकर्स हैं, इंटीरियर डिजाइनर बनना चाहते हैं आपकी तरह, तो उन्हें अभी वो सॉफ्टवेयर सीख रहे हैं, तो उन्हें आप और थोड़ा सा डिटेल में बताइए कि सॉफ्टवेयर किस तरह से यूज होता है.
Like in AutoCAD, like basic plans and elevations are there. We give the
ओके.
dimensions, we specify the material. हो गया, like we tag everything.
ओके.
Yes, ma'am, you can continue.
मैम,
Yeah.
यू
Yes.
कंटिन्यू. हाँ, यू
Yes.
कंटिन्यू प्लीज. हाँ.
Yes. It's like, it gives you the 2D drawings give you the clarity of how it's gonna look, the front of it, the elevate, like what would be the arrangement of the furniture, the orientation हो गया, we can say height हो गई.
हम्म.
So in that AutoCAD में ये सब आपको समझ आता है.
ओके. ओके. और जब आप नए नए थे मैडम, तो क्या सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करने में कोई दिक्कतें भी आई थी आपको, और अगर कुछ दिक्कतें आई थी तो वो क्या थी, कुछ हमें किससे बताइए आपके जॉब के, और फिर हम आगे बढ़ेंगे आपकी एंटरप्रेन्योर जर्नी पे.
Yes, my system used to get hanged a lot there.
ओके.
And as a software, it's I would rather say कि AutoCAD ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर है जिसमें बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं.
Yes.
लेकिन we just use it at a 5% or 7% only. मेरा नॉलेज है वहां तक. There could be बहुत कुछ हो सकता है उसमें, पर like probably we use it that extent only. उसमें 3Ds भी हो सकते हैं, like that is possible.
Yes.
ग्रेट. ओके. तो अभी मैम, अभी अगला सवाल आपको पूछता हूँ कि अभी आपने जो खुद का फॉर्म चालू किया है,
Yes.
इसके बारे में बताइए कि आप कैसे आपने ये डिसीजन लिया खुद, बिकॉज इट टेक्स इमेंस अमाउंट ऑफ करेज, to be a mom and to have a job and then to move on to start your own business. So how did this decision come about? क्या आपको ऐसा हुआ कि आपने ये डिसीजन लिया?
So see, I'm right now 38.
Oh,
So yes. So I don't have many years I can say to explore the market and have patience and study and all. So I decided now I should take a call and jump into it.
these are the top
Okay.
results.
Yes.
That is wonderful, ma'am. Of course, you look a lot younger. If you would not tell that number, I was thinking that maybe you are in the late 20s. Yeah. So मैम, अभी जो काम चल रहा है आपका प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में, उसको हमारे हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को बताइए कि कैसे क्लाइंट्स, पूरा जर्नी बताइए कि आपके प्रोजेक्ट्स आप कैसे लाते हो, एंड देन हाउ डू यू यूज द सॉफ्टवेयर टू, पूरा बताइए जो जो आप करते हो.
So I've completed 3 projects right now till now. One is a 3 BHK residential project. Two are commercial projects. Office थी वो complete हुई. जो residential project is a family friend of us.
Okay.
So we did that together, and 2 others like were neighbors.
Okay.
2 commercial projects. जो office थी वो.
ओके. ओके. तो एक एक प्रोजेक्ट का बात करते हैं मैम, एक एक का कहानी बताइए. पहला प्रोजेक्ट था 3 BHK रेसिडेंशियल, जो आपके फैमिली फ्रेंड थे. वो कैसे मिला आपको प्रोजेक्ट, और सॉफ्टवेयर में क्या क्या आपने कैसे यूज किया?
My husband was in touch with the uncle, and they had a word ke I'm like working here right now, and like academically like I'm interior designer, and that's how we met and we started uncle ke sath. They are like retired right now, senior
Okay.
citizens hai, uncle auntie husband wife are there.
हाँ
So
हाँ हाँ.
they don't have daughters or son or grandkids here. They all are abroad. They both stay together at Pune. So they had like very different requirements of their own. They love classy interiors, or wood ho gaya, veneers ho gaye. That was their requirement. They are
Okay.
cleanliness freak.
ओके. ग्रेट. तो मैम, इसमें भी आपने सॉफ्टवेयर का यूज क्या क्या किया है इस प्रोजेक्ट में?
In this, like I have done AutoCAD only. I have used. They were not.
ऑटोकैड आपने?
Yes, they were not looking for any 3Ds or anything.
ओके.
Sketching and the AutoCAD drawings.
हम्म. ग्रेट. तो मैम, ये कितने दिनों का प्रोजेक्ट था?
It took 6 months to complete.
ओके.
From the start till completion, total completion.
इसमें क्या स्कोप था हमारा काम का, क्या क्या किया हमने उनके लिए? इंटीरियर्स पूरा डिजाइन किया?
Yes, we did the false ceiling, we did all the furniture, we did the paint.
फॉल सीलिंग, पेंट,
Furniture.
फर्नीचर. ओके. फर्नीचर ये रेडीमेड है या आपने बनवाया है, उसने कस्टमाइज किया उनके लिए?
We did all the carpentry work. Everything
ओह.
customized as per their needs, their height. I can say as per their ergonomics.
अच्छा, एज पर ergonomics it is designed. ओके. इसका टोटल एक अप्रोक्सीमेट बजट कितना था मैम?
25 lakhs.
25 lakhs. Okay. Great. And this was a contract with material, na?
Yes.
ओके, समझ आ गया। ग्रेट। तो मैम ये स्पेस का जब आपने डिजाइन किया उसके बारे में मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि हाउ डिड यू डिसाइड और एर्गोनॉमिकली कैसे आपने कंसीडर किया। स्पेस डिजाइनिंग के बारे में कुछ हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को बताइए।
It should be more spacious. They wanted that way.
हम्म। ओके।
They should be more movable.
ओके।
Yes, ma'am.
Like उनका एक specification था. They wanted iron board.
ओके।
Uncle was very particular about, so he wanted a iron board in the room.
हम्म।
So that's how we did one collapsible iron board.
ओके।
They wanted sofa cum bed
हम्म।
as per their dimensions and as per their ergonomics.
ओके। तो एर्गोनॉमिक्स में आप क्या क्या कंसीडर करना पड़ता है मैम कि इंटीरियर डिजाइनर को।
जैसे like our Indian height, 5 feet 2 inch, 6 feet, और कोई लंबे रहते तो what size of bed you give, the dimension, the height of the sofa or a bed you consider, or you consider the height of the platform in the kitchen.
ओके, ग्रेट। तो जिससे कि क्लाइंट को कन्वीनियंटली वो यूज कर सके और
Yes.
फंक्शनैलिटी भी मीट होगा।
Yes.
मैम वाज किचन डिजाइन आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट।
Yes.
ओके, तो थोड़ा हमें किचन के बारे में बताइए मैम, किचन डिजाइन के बारे में।
Okay. It was a parallel kitchen done.
ओके, द डबल आई सेक्शन। ओके, तो क्या क्या अप्लायंसेस थे यहाँ पे।
Refrigerator, hob is there, microwave is there, built-in oven.
अच्छा, बिल्ट इन ओवन था यहाँ पे। ओके,
Yes.
मतलब कुकिंग रेंज में था कि बिल्ट इन कैबिनेट।
Cabinet is there.
कैबिनेट फॉर ओवन। ओके।
Yes.
ओके, ग्रेट।
We thought of giving a dishwasher too.
हाँ।
But like they are only two people right now, so like
Okay.
they thought of skipping it.
Okay.
Basically this flat is in a Clover Highland.
Oh, acha, this is in Clovers.
So it's
Okay.
on the NIBM road.
Yeah. I'm aware.
Yes. So it's a high-end project with all the amenities and all the possibilities are given in the kitchen and the flat. Like everything is there.
Everything is already there.
Mostly given by the builder also.
Okay.
So
Okay.
we have to just tweak at few of the as per the design.
Okay. Okay. Great. Ma'am, let's move to the commercial project now. You share your knowledge and your experience on the next project, a commercial one.
Then the next commercial project was in that is Bhor. It's basically industrial shade was there. उसमें मेज़नाइन पे 15 लोगों के लिए ऑफिस बनानी थी।
अच्छा।
With two cabins for the directors, one conference room.
15 people, 2 director cabins. Okay. तो इसके ऊपर क्या कोई सॉफ्टवेयर यूज किया आपने AutoCAD के अलावा?
Yes, basically AutoCAD only for this also.
Okay, great. ये कितने दिन चला मैम प्रोजेक्ट और इसका बजट कितना था?
It's like I haven't taken this as a turnkey, so I basically I'm not aware of the exact budget like.
Okay.
Yeah, that way I took it. And this lasted for 1.5 months, I can say. 2 months, yes.
Okay, great.
We have used aluminium sections, then gypsum board.
Okay.
Glass is the material there, main materials.
Glass you have used for the partitions?
Yes, partitions and as a tabletops also at places.
Okay. Glass for tabletop. Okay. Now moving to your third project, ma'am. Really amazing piece of information you have been sharing. Thanks for that. The third project, can you narrate a little bit about that?
Third is also a commercial project. It's a office for the Innovance Lighting karke one brand is there. उनके लिए ये किया गया।
क्या था ये प्रोजेक्ट मैम?
They wanted one display piece जहाँ पे वो अपनी they deal in floodlights हो गए, स्ट्रीट लाइट्स हो गए, आउटडोर लाइटनिंग हो गई।
ओहो, अच्छा।
उनको ये उनकी ऑफिस थी,
हम्म।
तो ऐसा कुछ उन्हें चाहिए था जो लाइट्स रिप्रेजेंट करे उनकी ऑफिस में।
ओके, तो क्या किया फिर आपने, कैसे इस आइडिया को डेवलप किया?
दे वांटेड वन डिस्प्ले जहां उनकी सब प्रोडक्ट्स डिस्प्ले करके जाए, वो डिस्प्ले हो सके।
ओके।
and they want the connection, they had a I can say क्या गोडाउन था जहां पे उनको एक कनेक्शन चाहिए था, जहां से सीसीटीवी कैमरास हो गए, स्पीकर्स हो गए, दे कैन टॉक विथ ईच अदर। तो वहां पे इलेक्ट्रिकल काम ज्यादा था, टेक्निकली सब।
ओके, सीसीटीवी के साथ और क्या चाहिए था उनको?
माइक्रोफोन स्पीकर्स हो गए।
ओके, अच्छा, ग्रेट। और ये जो हमने प्रोडक्ट डिस्प्ले का ये बनाया, इसका साइज क्या था मैम अप्रोक्सीमेटली?
अप्रोक्स 5 feet by 1 feet something.
ओके, ग्रेट।
We used composite panels इंटीरियर में यूज किए हमने। बैक पेंटेड ग्लास यूज किया हुआ है।
कौन सा ग्लास मैम?
बैक पेंटेड।
बैक पेंटेड, ओके।
More of the profile lights are used.
Okay, great. So, ma'am, now moving to the final question. As an interior designer, we are also providing our CAD Center students a kind of continuous support. So, this corporate connect interview with you was a part of that support, where budding interior designers or job seekers can learn from pros of the industry like you. Yeah, Pratiksha, can I share my screen, dear? I want to just.
Yes, we can.
Yeah. Ma'am, as a part of our continuous support, we have developed an e-learning portal, which we call it as Design Your Own University. And as a part of that, we are continuously creating courses for our interior designing and architectural students. So I'd just like to showcase that and would like to have your comment in the context that whether learning these subjects that we have prepared will help my students build value in their career. Can they earn more money by learning all these courses? So I'll just take a 5 minutes to show you all the little nuggets that we have developed and would like to have your comment, with your permission, ma'am.
Sure. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Pratiksha and Mrs. Gandhi, is my screen visible to you guys? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So, ma'am, on the left hand side, you can see this section, architectural and interior designing. It has got 33 courses. Can you see this here?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. So, in this e-learning portal, we have divided into 3 parts. The first section is architecture and interior designing fundamentals. Second is modeling fundamentals. And third is about behavior, motivation, interview preparation. Those kind of things are residing in that section. Yeah. So, I will first like to have your comment on this section. That is the architecture design fundamentals. Yeah. There are about 10 courses that we have developed in this portal. First is this one, 7 easy steps to design beautiful home. This is a 90 minutes course on space designing. I'll just show you the details of the course.
Okay.
So this is how the course begins, ma'am. And we teach them the phases of the project. So the objective of this program is that as an interior designer or architect, you need to first establish the client's requirement and understand what will be the minimum space required for the entire home, and then progressing on how the rooms will be spaced. So we teach them the phases of the project, the concepts of privacy, flow of traffic, and then we begin with identifying client needs. So we have divided this into 7 steps. So first step is identifying client needs, considering the ergonometry. Second step is about circulation, furniture, appliances, electric lighting, followed with plumbing and organizational flow. So apart from the softwares that the CAD Center students are learning, we are teaching them space designing also. Would like to have your comment, ma'am. Yeah.
You can say there could be a mood board or theme.
Okay.
Mood board is something in which we collect colors, textures हो गए. जैसे लिविंग रूम है तो वहां पे कौन सा वॉल पे कौन सा कलर आने वाला है, विच टेक्सचर इज कमिंग, व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ सोफा फैब्रिक वुड बी देयर, लेमिनेट आने वाला है कि वीनियर आने वाला है, इट वुड बी शाइनी और ग्लोसी, तो हम उसे मूड बोर्ड कहते हैं, और या थीम कह सकते हैं.
थीम,
या यस, और मूड बोर्ड.
ओके ओके.
I think that after requirements or client needs के बाद you can come that point.
Great. So, ma'am, what is your comment? Would learning this also add value to their careers, make them better interior designers?
Of course, yes.
Okay.
Yes. It would be refreshing again, like.
Okay. Then, ma'am, moving on, we are teaching them about the Vastu Shastra also. This is another 60 minutes program, where it is a primer or foundational course in Vastu design. I'll just give you a glimpse of this. So this is about teaching them about the various directions, the importance of each directions, balancing and alignment, effects of those 5 elements, and then how to design a home according to Vastu Shastra. This is a 60 minutes program. Have you encountered any clients who are very upbeat about using the Vastu design?
As of not now, but like I'm aware of this, like how it how it works and what are the requirements and all. Yes. Okay,
great. So any interior designing students who knows the softwares and parallelly also understand Vastu, is there a possibility that he can earn more money in designing?
Of course, if you get such a client who is Vastu conscious, then this course could help a lot. If you get such a project, then you can learn and it would be feasible, more workable for you, na?
Yes, ma'am.
By doing this course, a short course, short term.
Yeah, it's a kind of short primer. Yeah. Anything else we would like to share, ma'am, before we conclude today's session?
I would like to share with the students that like one should be consistent, dedicated. You should be, or as a designer, you should have. You should be creative, flexible. होना चाहिए. You should not procrastinate. के बाद में हो जाएगा, कर लेंगे, सीख लेंगे. Now is the time.
Great.
That's it.
Thank you, ma'am. Pratiksha, ma'am, you can conclude.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. आपने जो आपके एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किए वो जरूर स्टूडेंट्स को हेल्प करेंगे. आपने बताया कि ऑटोकैड और स्केचअप में आपका जो आपने सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स अब तक ऑटोकैड में किया. अब तो ऑटोकैड तो बेसिक सॉफ्टवेयर है. अब स्केचअप और मैक्स भी सीख रहे हो आप, तो मैक्स में भी अब आप आगे क्या. आपने एक चीज मुझे पूछनी थी कि आपने जो बताया कि आपने फैमिलीज आपने क्रिएट किए, जो सोफा वो आपने जो बताया, तो वो कौन से सॉफ्टवेयर में बनाया आपने?
See, basically, see, I started as a freelancer, तो मुझे ये पता चला कि मुझे SketchUp आता है. But the market wants more realistic views, as a 3D views.
Yeah.
More realistic views चाहिए उन्हें. So, like, the industry is demanding for some 3D Max. So
Okay.
I upgraded myself to 3. Now I'm learning 3D Max. That's why.
Okay. So as a designer, Max की जरूरत ज्यादा है. As an interior designer, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, thank you for your valuable time. And ये वीडियो जरूर स्टूडेंट्स को हेल्पफुल रहेगा.
My pleasure. Most welcome. And nice talking to you, both of you, and nice meeting you.
Yeah.
Good to see you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for that kindness. Yeah.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.